Hello and welcome to my vlog embracing the autumn season. So this morning was quite chilly, so I've turned on the heating to make my house more cozy and warm, especially whilst I'm getting ready in the morning. So I'm about to prepare my lately favorite tea, which is loaded with nutrients, super healthy and incredibly refreshing. So I've added some lemon and orange slices along with cinnamon sticks and mint leaves, making it the perfect cozy drink for autumn. So as the cold weather approaches, I really do think it's essential to boost our vitamin intake to strengthen our immune system as much as we can. This tea is just what I need right now, and I'm taking as many vitamins as I can naturally through like natural source, so through food. But of course you can take vitamins in a different way, but this is the best way for me. So the other week I had a conversation with my friend about September, and I was just having a discussion how I am feeling entering the autumn season, and as it is currently September, how I am feeling mentally more than physically. And I was just expressing to her how positive I feel and very energetic. And it's so strange because every year I struggle with autumn and winter because they are not my favorite seasons of the year. My favorite season of the year is summer. I absolutely love summer. And living here in the UK, sometimes I would struggle with the weather because even in the summer, we do get nice days, but we get more of windy and rainy days. So if you live in the UK, then you completely understand and you know how the weather is here. So it always meant for me that I would wait for summers, and we only have like short time of summer, and I'll try to embrace the summer as much as I can. And when it comes down to winter, I just wouldn't like, because it will be damp and cold and cloudy and rainy. So at the beginning of this year, I made a goal for myself, and I promised to myself that every year I will enter into a new season with positive thought and positive energy. So I try to kind of change my mindset around that. And I feel like it really worked this year, especially now for this month. I feel more positive and I feel like I have loads of energy, and the things that I want to achieve, I am here, I am ready, and I want to go and do it. And yeah, I'm really happy about that because I just think it's so important what you think in your head, and that just shows how important it is to change your negative thoughts into a positive, and then of course naturally your energy will change and everything externally will change as well and manifest into that physical world. It's just so nice to kind of do cozy things, you know, cozy meals and cozy drinks, and just wearing nice warm clothes. And I've got my warm dressing gown today as well. It's just so nice. And now finally I have time to read my book and do journals and just house chores, etc. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do today. So I'm going to go for a walk. So currently it's 8 a.m. in the morning here in England. So I'm going to go for a little walk to get some fresh air, and I always get so inspired when I'm walking in the nature, and it's so important for me to be near the trees and the greenery. And of course I don't live far from the beach, so I might pop to the beach as well, go a walk, which is so nice. Sometimes I feel like walking by the nature, you know, in the greenery and then beach as well. So I feel so blessed that I'm able to do that. And then I'm gonna go to the shop and get some groceries for today's dinner, and I'll share that with you as well, what I'm going to cook. And yeah, so let's see how the vlog goes. This is my first vlog, by the way, so I don't know how it will go, but I will take you along. And yes, I hope that this kind of video will inspire you to embrace the autumn season. Very sunny too. Although it's so sunny, it's still very breezy, so you can definitely smell the cold air. The autumn is here and it's just so nice, really, really nice. But it's not too cold. I'm wearing a jean jacket, which is quite warm. It's my autumn wintry jacket, and I'm wearing a dress, a long dress with the kind of long sleeves, but I wouldn't wear anything less. Yeah, but it's so nice. And you know, it's so nice just to sit here and reflect on everything, on your life and what you have been doing throughout the year, and the things that you have achieved and you haven't achieved. And by the way, if the things that you said to yourself you wanted to achieve and perhaps you haven't, that's okay. Don't be harsh to yourself, and be gentle, and just think what you can do, you know, moving forward. Think of solution than the problem. That's what I always say to myself. So I'm just gonna sit here, kind of reminisce a little bit, and yeah, just sit in peace, not listening to anything, not talking to anyone, and just relaxing really. So I'm back home now. I feel so relaxed and so zen from my walk. You know, when you just feel, that's how I'm feeling. And yeah, I really enjoyed my walk. So now I'm going to make chicken soup, which is absolutely delicious and so nutritional. And I love making that soup, especially this time of the year. It's such a cozy meal to have, and it's just so comforting. And at the same time, I feel like baking something that is comforting. So I've been craving for an apple crumble for a little while, so I think I'm going to make that too. But I've never actually made an apple crumble at home, so let's see how I will get on. But it's still very sunny because it's still early afternoon. So I haven't done my exercise yet, any type of exercise other than walking. I'm going to do Pilates at home, which I absolutely love Pilates. And yeah, so I'm going to do that later. That's why I thought I'll cook now for a dinner for myself and my husband. And then I will do my exercises. So let's make some chicken soup. I have chopped up some vegetables for the chicken and vegetable soup. So I've got some onions, some fine beans, some carrots, some leek and potato. So once I add all the chicken to the rest of the soup, I don't cook anymore. It's pretty much done. It's such an easy and quick soup to make, and it's just full of goodness, and it tastes absolutely delicious. So I add some single cream, and then I have some sourdough toast on the side, but it's your kind of preference. You can just have it on its own, and it's just such a perfect soup for autumn. So the apple crumble is all done. It looks good. It smells delicious. My whole house smells of cinnamon. So it was a good choice of adding lots of cinnamon. So I'm going to taste this and see how it will be, but I'm sure it will be delicious. Today I'm going for kayaking with my husband. So currently it's 12 p.m. in the afternoon in the UK, and it's quite windy but sunny like yesterday. So we decided to go kayaking today because my husband has day off, and we always like to do something when we both off. Something that is meaningful to both of us, something that makes us happy, but at the same time we always like to include some sort of activity, so we always moving or exercising, and I don't think we're going to go to the gym today either. So yeah, I think that'll be a really good workout. Plus I haven't been kayaking this year. My husband did in the summer, but I just didn't get an opportunity to. So yeah, I'm super excited to do that, and plus I'm taking some lunch, so probably we'll stop somewhere on the side of the river and have a little picnic.